Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Youthful Repairs, where we focus on all the wonderful skilled trades available to you right out of high school. It can pay you to pursue a trade school jobs. They often provide good incomes for you and your family. A large number of jobs to choose from, enhancing your life. Many of the highest paying trades in America can be entered after completing a short program. From a trade school like a vocational school, community college, or technical school.
Hi, I'm Pam. Plus, the fastest growing, most in demand, and highest paying trade jobs are frequently some of the most satisfying. They often involve hands-on, mentally engaging tasks, leading to a real sense of pride, achievement, and confidence. By choosing a vocational school, you get the opportunity to gain more financial prosperity, job security, and day-to-day enjoyment. You don't need to spend 4 years at a college or university to become a skilled worker with a good job. As you'll learn from the trade school, you can achieve vocational success with a shorter, more career-oriented education.
Hi, I'm Javier. There are a lot of trade school jobs for high pay, growth rates, and a number of openings all over the country. Trade is defined as an occupation that requires a particular set of mid to high-level skills. A trade school job is any vocation that meets that definition, and you can train for at a vocational college or technical institute near you.
Here are some careers that rank high to low median income that can take care of you now and in the future. Software developer. Software development is one of America's highest paying trade school jobs. Software developers oversee the creation and improvement of computer applications, mobile apps, or operating systems.
Database administrator. For this high-tech career includes managing and implementing changes to computerized information systems that store, organize, and provide authorized users with appropriate access to data.
Construction management specialist. Role involves planning, overseeing, and coordinating activities related to specific building projects.
Computer systems analyst. Professionals field help organizations make the best use of their existing computer systems, create plans for upgrading those systems, or devise strategies for implementing new computer hardware and software.
Web developer is about creating functional, user-friendly websites using the most appropriate programming and markup languages as well as graphics, multimedia, and database tools.
Dental hygienist. Dental hygiene is one of the highest paid trade jobs in the healthcare sector. Cleaning the teeth of dental patients and educating patients about good oral hygiene.
Registered nurse. Registered nurses, RNs, are found in all kinds of healthcare settings at hospitals, clinics, and long-term care facilities.
Diagnostic medical sonographer involves using ultrasound equipment to capture images of what's occurring inside a patient's body.
Computer network support specialist. People who work in information technology focus on helping organizations maintain their internet connectivity, as well as local and wide area networks LANs and WANs.
Radiologic. A radiologic technologist uses X-ray or computed tomography, CT, equipment to obtain diagnostic images of patients' internal body structures.
Human resources specialist or HR helps organizations with various staffing-related matters like recruitment, screening, job placement, employee relations, compensation, benefits, professional development, and workplace policy enforcement.
Respiratory therapist. Professionals do healthcare evaluate and provide therapeutic treatments for patients with medical conditions that make it difficult to breathe.
Occupational therapy assistant. Occupational therapy assistants help people improve their ability to lead normal day-to-day lives despite limitations caused by illness, injury, or disability.
Electrician. Electricians focus on wiring buildings for electrical power, lighting, or communications systems. They also maintain or repair those systems.
Industrial machinery specializes in fixing and maintaining machines used in industrial processes like advanced manufacturing or oil, gas, chemical refining.
Medical laboratory tech. Technicians and technologists carry out laboratory tests on bodily fluid and tissue samples.
Paralegal or legal assistant. Help attorneys with a wide range of tasks, such as legal research, documentation, filing, witness interviewing, client scheduling, correspondence, and trial preparation.
Computer user support specialist. A computer user support specialist helps solve various technical issues with computer hardware, software, or accessories.
Physical therapist assistant. A physical therapist assistant, PTA, carries out treatments directed by a physical therapist that help people manage pain and regain or improve their strength and range of motion after an injury, surgery, or other physical impairment.
Vocational or practical nurse. A licensed practical nurse, LPN, known as a licensed vocational nurse, LVN, specializes in providing routine bedside and personal care to patients as directed by physicians or RNs. These are only a few of the trades that can take care of you for a lifetime, so think of your future. I'll see you next time.